Guys, so right now you guys, good morning guys. Just dropped off Rachel at her OB appointment. I could be in the room, which sucks, but that's okay you guys. I hope I can be there some days and then stuff, so I just dropped her off. And I'm picking her up. Sorry, I did drop her off. I'm picking her up from the appointment, so that's what I'm doing. So talk to you guys then. Guys, so right now you guys, I'm organizing this room right now. So we're cleaning this room really tight, nice and neat. So this room is really messy. I always do the filming, but for some reason it's not working. So I'm gonna have to tidy it up a little bit. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Right now, you guys, I'm gonna cook up some steaks. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So it's gonna be fun and exciting. There's our supper, guys. It looks so good. So right now, you guys, we are watching Dog God Trouble. And then I'm dropping Rachel off at her house afterwards. So that's what we're doing. I just got done dropping off Rachel. I'm gonna end today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye!